Good morning. It's not morning, but hi. Okay. Debadat's hello. It is in fact Noodle Tim. Vega hello. Ooh, I missed the stickers. Goddamn. Morning. Hi Starman. And Witcher hello. How are you? Welcome in. I don't usually stream on Tuesdays. I gotta say, it feels a little strange. Oh my gosh, and it's Davy's unofficial son. Incredible. Hello. You made me lose my train of thought. Oh. Yeah, I usually don't stream on Tuesday, Thursday, because lately that's been my, my workout day. And usually I'm just too beat after a workout, but today was challenge day, and I did better than I thought, so I'm feeling pumped. Let's fucking go! What's the last time we had a tour of your house? Oh my god, it's been so long. Let me show you all of the things in my house. Yeah. Let's go big screen. So you can see most of what I have here right now. But then I'll because we're also gonna knock down a wall eventually, we'll kinda get a little look around. So this is our default view. Oh my. Cats are running around, Jesus. That's my default view. Obviously we're lacking in decor right now, but plenty of space to put things. We got the, well, that's a shelf that exists, but we got the little cube shelves. The only one that's occupied is the one that's occupied by me. But we have a couple on this wall too, so lots of these little modular shelves. Oh yeah, let's get a wider angle here. So many shelves, yes. Got these little dudes. So stuff can go. Oh yeah, in on top of, yeah. Maybe not on top of this one, but you can probably stick something on there, or inside of those. I had half a mind of maybe putting string lights on these beams. I think that could be interesting. Got a full bookshelf. I'm wondering. I'm not quite sure what I'll put in here. Like maybe enough room for like a console or something. But yeah, lots of room down here. I imagine I'll make little book models to kind of populate this a little bit more, but we also have a little table. I would love to make pillows eventually. I don't have pillows. So many shelves to put your stuff on. Yes, I just need stuff. I could very easily get knocked over, but that's true. That's true. I was also thinking maybe editing this window so that I could put things on the windowsill, right? Like right now there isn't much of a windowsill. But that, like, even like a little thin one, you could put like plants on that or something. I know I want this corner to maybe be like a little plant. Something there. Got a couple oh you mean? Many figs in this mop. Yeah. Yeah, I'll need something in there. Redeem idea. Uh-oh. Plants, yes. This will be where we have our arcade game. Oh, that'll be where we have the arcade game. So, but I even have some. What the fuck? Where did my? There we go. Different sky backgrounds. That could be cool. I just have to figure out. Well, that'd be not too bad, right? I think it would just be a hue adjustment on the background. Yeah. What game you gonna put there? Well, we already have a game sort of situated for it. We have that snake game that we were working on. I just it's gonna be a real pain to get it in here because it's in a different level right now, but yeah, that'll be for like when I'm truly away. Like if I need for like a longer break than normal, we'll play a little game. I have this shelf. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think it just fits nice between my monitors, but I even have a full desk. I have like a full fucking... I know I want to put a mug here, but other than that, I don't think I have anything else dedicated. Oh, and I do have shelves back here, but it's kind of covered, so Not much to put on there. And then I have a little dude here where I'm thinking maybe some kind of wall art. It's a Final Fantasy. Yeah, I've been digging this playlist actually. I kind of like it a lot, but yeah. Poster, yeah, exactly. Something nice, or maybe like a collage of photos or something. And then some more shelf space. But this wall will eventually be torn down because we'll have a little walkway space, which I was actually just thinking, since it'll probably have like a coat rack or something like that. Like maybe I could put little maybe I could put like some of my hats or like a scarf up there, just because, you know, those are the things I wear on stream. That could be silly, but yeah, that's the space right now. Got a lamp. Ooh, cyan tabby. But yeah, and a lot of outside. A lot of outside and a completely untextured actual outside of the house. So don't worry about that. But yeah, this is what we'll usually see when we're just chatting. So yeah, that's the tour. Eventually we'll be able to go up and we'll be in green screen land. Or oh, right. You don't actually see the house in this mode yet. Yeah. Beep, 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 beep. And we can go back down. Whee! And we're in normal land. What is the max ball I can throw? I think it technically caps at 10, but it'll just round down anything that you put. People put crazy numbers in there. Oh shit. Oh, no, that's fine. I thought there was a delay. Actually, what is my FPS? Wow. Since going up there, it tanked a little bit. That kind of sucks. I wonder why. That's weird. Recently learned that cyan is actually pronounced Sion? I don't believe you. I guess it's not that I don't believe you, but but I don't think I've ever heard it pronounced that way by anybody. Yeah, why do we have that frame rate tank, right? I feel like by default we're floating around 90 here. I think the moment I go up, it gets unhappy. Yeah. It goes down to like 40. Weird. And then it stays 40 when I'm down there. That's annoying. Why's that? Oh, love, thank you. Oh, I missed the noodles. Oh my god. It's not a bad song, but I've heard it 800 times. Also, I've heard One Piece 100 times. Ah, I skipped it. I skipped the Super Mario 64. My bad. 100 piece, yes. An old friend of mine pronounced it as Cheyenne. Oh, that's interesting. It's news to me. Oh, I didn't know that I could actually control shit with a controller in editor. That's interesting. Can I do my buttons? No. Okay, so it's not a pawn, which I guess makes sense. Okay. But anyway. 3-stream streak, fuck yeah. Okay. So now that we've done the tour, now I have to figure out what I'm doing with my life. Put some stuff in the plan. I think biggest thing, okay. So I need to get the debug commands working. Let's just write down things I can do right now. Like real things I can do right now. I think this stuff we can actually properly move to lighting. Wherever the hell that is. lighting. Beep. There we go. According to who? The French? I wonder how many colors it'll pick up. That are more obscure names. Oh. Oh. Very uncle. I was gonna say it. I have a link somewhere to the sheet, the Google sheet that lists a ton of the colors. There's like 800 or something. I took it from Boom. Ah, I've been fortified. I've been fortified by love earlier, so it's gonna take more than that to take me out. Okay, so what can I do right now? I could make more, I want to call them outfits, I think. But like presets, basically. Oh, oh dear. It took one more hit, apparently. Okay, make more presets. Oh, you know what else I need to do? Test streamer bot export. I've been loved to stream machine. Because I actually just downloaded StreamerBot on the stream machine. So I have to see if that export works. Uh-oh. We're gonna fight. Hold on, give me 1 second. Rude of you to throw balls at me. Well, I cough. That's fine. More presets. Test StreamerBot. Which I guess I don't have to do on stream. Could be off stream. But I have to do it. Eventually. Then I need debug commands, which include color. Oh my god. Which for this, I need to remember how I did string to, or sorry, I guess X slash RGB slash name to color. Because I don't remember how I did that. I guess this is pattern. Oh my god. Pattern. For me, it just looked like a slightly gray white. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. And then pattern, I guess, can basically just be. Yeah, I wonder what this would take, actually. I need some sort of map. University red? What the fuck? Oh! There we go. Need... Oh, this is annoying, actually. Need a map? Or, maybe this would be... Oop. Maybe this would be called texture. See, because this would also be color. Hold on. This would be color. So fun throwing things. It could also very well be the way my project renders stuff out. It's kind of like that. I need color, I guess material. Like body part. And then color string. Which kind of leads me to think that I don't want RGB. I kind of feel like hex and color name are the best way to do this. Only because RGB has spaces in it, which is fucking annoying. Annoying to deal with. So we can do something like that. Texture would be the same. Texture, body part. And then... Oh. And then preset name. Because that would include that makes sense to me. RGB as in like, yeah. Yeah. Oh wait, because that's the one where you could just make things crazy high, right? Oh, okay. We'll see if we can make it work. We'll see if we can make it work. I like to spot it because of the soft shading. And then we do, I guess, prop? I think prop is easier than writing out, like, accessory every time. So then this would be prop. Or, I guess you could do this regardless of slot. Like, this could probably just be, like, any thing, you know? I'm gonna go for a few, so no more ball throwing for now. Fair enough. Prop name. Which would self-assign to mod slot. Yeah. Maybe it would be a separate idea. Oh, no, do let me know. Okay. So I think the debug commands are the most complicated. Presets would be more fun, so part of me wants to jump into debug. Format. Oh, I see. Okay. Color, texture, prop. So this is how I imagine debug, like when debug mode is on, this is how the commands would work. A bow either on top of the head or on the side, like where the fruitsy emote is. Oh, I see. Well, that could be cute. Yeah, I like that. Kind of looks like a bow. So yeah, maybe we'll start with debug commands. If I get tired of them, we can start making presets. Although, while I'm thinking of it, can't say the same about the chicken. Yeah, while I'm thinking of it, I need to go to our color testing level, because we said we were going to do a wooden. Ooh, pistachio. We had mentioned wanting to do a wooden type. It was a wooden tabby, wasn't it? Yeah, wooden tabby. Yeah, well, I guess I could dig up what it looked like. Because that was back in the color palette days. Oh dear, I forgot I made so many. Yeah, that was the autumn one, wasn't it? It was these colors, right? I think so. I'm just gonna have to remember how this was set up, because I don't remember, even though I made it, and it wasn't that long ago. Loving the mugshot. It's incredible. The white belly was a darker color, was it? Oh, interesting, okay. Which means... Oh, wait, I have to go to tabby, hold on. Textures, tabby. Which means this was the darker color, is what you're saying, right? Darker brown from the rest of the coat. So let me just maybe... Oh, no, not that one. Cancel. Was this the lighter one? Let's see. Was it a little something like that? Or was it the other way around? Either way, these were the eyes, right? I think the stripes were darker. Okay, so... I think that means that these are flipped. Right, it was like this. And then this was the lighter one? Was it like that? This is probably a little bright, but hopefully that's close. I'm not sure why these two are different. Maybe it was like that. What were these colors? RGB. Oh, eye, nose, mouth. I see. It's a never-ending story. You're correct. I think I skipped this last time. Right, and then these were nose and mouth. Right, does that look right? Ooh, peach. Yeah, then I guess it was Tabby. Let me turn this brightness down a little bit. Oh, no you don't. You can't say that. You can't say that on the internet. Maybe it's a little closer to that. Also, hi, May. How are you? Oh my god. On my head? On my head? Oh! There it is. I was crazy. I wish there was a way to pull up the one from before, but I think it was longer than 2 weeks ago. It might have been. It would be on YouTube, but yeah, I would have dismantled the code that that had this set up. Or actually, no, I can totally check because I think it was. What did my like default look like? Right? I think I had a default. Or it was like general testing or something? What was this called? I forgot I did all the Pride ones. Is this Pokemon? Good question. Let's check. This is called Into the West. I'm not sure what it's from. It doesn't say. I thought for sure I had one. Maybe it's because that shit's in the way. Oh, base testing, that's it. Okay, so then I think it was red. Right, red, green, blue. So that means that, oh, that's telling me red. I see. Maybe. So that means green. Okay, no, yeah, you're right. Stripes were darker, belly was darkest. That doesn't sound right to me, though. Why doesn't that sound right to me? They were definitely eyes were definitely blue, because these are the eye colors. These were definitely eyeballs. I just wasn't sure which order these were in. But we can always change them. They're right here. At the very least, we can always or edit this as we go. Should scream, I have a bomb in a children. No. I think you'd get rightly and promptly arrested. What's up? Oh, hello. Oh, these are old textures. What am I looking for? Oh, I thought maybe I had an old version. Oh, right. I'm looking... Jesus! I need to turn down... whatever the fuck does my... Yeah, shut up! Turn down my alarm. Jesus Christ. There we go. Okay. That was loud as fuck. You flip-flopped it, right? Okay, sick. Nope. I know what this is. No. Not listening to that. Okay. I need... Oh, in here, right. In here. run it. Yeah. This is the one going to be called wooden. This would just be like wood or whatever we want to call it, honestly. They're all being combined. They will all be the same thing. This will just be wood. Wood or wooden or whatever we want to... Well, maybe wood would make sense because then you type wooden and it should accept wood. It'll be like a color name. Yes. Very similar, yes. So I can just give this a name right now, and then if we want to tweak it, because we will have to see it in the main environment, I'm sure. So maybe I'll just call it wood, because then it'll accept wooden with the spell check, I think. Actually, yeah, let's test it. Export. Yeah, perfect, okay. Which means... You know what? Maybe I should make a separate command. It's a Super Metroid. I feel like every time I hear any music from like the Metroid series, honestly, maybe we'll call it preset. Yeah, just keep calling it preset. This is just so that... Oh, no. Come back. Oof. I feel like I love all of it. Like all the music I hear from it. Fantastic series of games. I haven't played any of them, which makes me feel like I'm missing out. Do I have this tied to an action in here yet? No, I totally don't, actually. Oh wait, yeah, we can use... No. Well, we can just duplicate this. Rename. Nope, not rename group. Edit. Let's call this preset. Or I guess I'd call this command preset. Okay. And we have to do our preset command. And just pull that out. Oh, slimy! Slimy! Every one of them I've played is great, and there's still a bunch I haven't played yet. What if instead of special coat, slime was a color? Slime calico slime. I'm not sure. Well, because we are sort of dipping from the modular setup, you know? Where slime is going to have a coat and a set of colors or whatever, you know? Where you can use debug stuff to, like, do whatever you want, but... Where was I going? Oh, I was gonna... tweak... Dreamer bud. I need... What did I call this? Command? Called this command preset. I don't think I recognize this one. It's called Once Upon a Time. Oh, this is totally Undertale. That's what this is. This is Undertale. I'm gonna call this command set. Add an input. Rest JSON object. I'm gonna put this in a different category called commands. I don't know why. Talking to me? With her? Oh, she wants to hang out. Sweet thing. Sweet thing. I bought it years ago, but I haven't played it yet. But I think I should play it off stream. I remember enjoying it. But I know some people really, really like it. So I think if I now go... Because this will just be easier than having to do a redeem every time. For me. Noodle. Shit. Oh, goat manager. Oh, yeah, it's up here. To be on Twitch, redeem code. But can I also... Erase it? Oh my gosh, I can do them both. Oh, that's incredible. Okay. I can just have them both do the same thing. Or at least it seems like I can. So if I load up my other scene. Here's notorious for attracting a bunch of randoms who come in and immediately start backseating. Oh really? On stream? Alright, let's try this. Preset. Good. There we go. How's that? Is this to our liking? I feel like it's a little bright. But maybe that's what it looked like. I love how you can see it twist. It's like that's the belly on the outside. Silly. Hey. You know what? I kind of feel like maybe the eyes should look wooden too. You think so? Okay. Oh, right. Then I'd have to go in here and we'd have to take a little peek. Yeah, where's my... What is this? Oh, this is Pokemon Center. Okay. I was like, why do I know what this is? It's silly. Well, silly that I didn't know what it was. Core. Run. Alright, so that's our hood. Oh, I have it printing. Hold on a second. Stop printing. Yeah, you don't have to do that anymore. You made one eye the same color as the main fur. Let's see. One eye, the same color as the main fur. Oop, like this guy? We'll change the pupil, but the other eye, the color of the stripes. Oh, the stripes. Stripes? Right? Yeah, the stripes. That. And both pupils the same color. Oh, yeah, we can do that. Something like that. Do you know how snakes arch their coils when they like the scratch? Does Noodle Cat do the same way if you scratch the back of it? I have never seen this, actually. I know nothing about snakes. Is that true? That's crazy. Or something like that? I'm wondering if just for a little bit of difference, maybe I either lighten or darken this just a smidge? Like, not crazy. Just enough. Don't cats do that too? Some do, yeah. You get one wish if you scratch Noodle in the wild. That's true. What if the other eyeball had the same color as the left? This one? That's my left, right? Well, not my left, your left. You're talking like that? But it would help if I didn't fucking cover the whole thing. Just hoping to take a peek. Yeah? Cool. Wood eyes or blue eyes? I don't... Well, I think this one reads more wood for sure. I am just wondering if I give this just a little bit of a differentiation. Like, nothing too crazy. Maybe that's too crazy. Yeah, fuck it. Fuck it. Wood. Yes, my boy. Yes. Overwrite, please. Thank you. We're back to Metroid. Fuck yeah. Okay. Save. Open the other level. Part of me is wondering if I should just move this. Yeah, wait a second. The code is very similar to this testing. Why don't I move this to the main thing? Nah, fuck it. We'll figure that out later. I want to focus. I gotta focus. Save. Play. Reset. Wood. There we go. I like that. That looks nice to me. Oop, I gotta put it in there. Whee! Yeah, that's nice. I love these too. These are very silly. Yeah. Oh, bam. I would not bother the wild ones. My friend does have a yellow Burmese python and is very affectionate. He does love humans because they're so warm. And he moves his coils in your hands when he likes. Oh wait, that's cute. I love that. I did not know that snakes could be affectionate like that. I don't know much about reptiles, honestly. Okay, so now that we have wood, very happy with wood. Very happy with wood. I need to... What do I need to do? I need to do some shit here. Debug. Debug. I think this is really what I have to do. I have to figure this shit out. Oh! Video! Okay. A bunch of baby oh wait, are they the ones that go meow, meow, meow? I know one of them is like very strange. They make very interesting sounds. Meow. Meow. The noise they make sounds like, oh, maybe that's it. I feel like I might have seen something like this, but I will take a look. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Focus, 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 focus. Focus, 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 focus. Something like that. Focus, 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 focus. Ooh, what is this? Zelda? Some kind of Zelda? Forest Temple. Forest Temple. You'd be surprised how many animals like pets, even the ones you don't expect. Yeah, honestly. Okay, let me take a little peek here. Because I think Fruitsy sent me something a long, long time ago. Let's see if I still have it saved somewhere. Downloads? Oh, where would this even be? Oh no. What's that? Oh, baby. She just wants to video jam. She just wants to jam with you. Oh, maybe it's this. String parsing. That looks right. Now here's a question. I wonder if I could just copy paste this into my thing or if that would break everything. Let's check. I was disappointed to learn that the Tasmanian devils don't believe in padding. Aw, boo. I also forgot to submit this stuff to my thing. This was from yesterday, 26/01/05. Stream updates. Submit. Right, that way we can just put things back to the way they were if this doesn't work. Come on. Come on. Content. Testing me core. Blueprint library. Try that. Copy here. Does that break everything? Does everything suck? No. Amazing. Amazing. Which means I can close. Yeah, we'll keep that open. Okay. Awesome. Because, yeah, Fritzy sent me this stuff a long time ago. Because you could do color name string. Yeah, because she had quite a few colors available too, which is really cool. She's helping. She is a Pokemon. She is a Pokemon. Right, okay, so maybe we can give this a try, see what happens. Because these are just like general string to linear color, see if it's RGB, see if it's hex, or a name, invalid, then it's nothing, you know? So let's see if these work. Because this would be string to linear color. Why do I have two of each? A little weird. I could say branch if valid string, then pipe that over. Oh, wait, okay. Hold on a second. It's not quite that simple. We have to parse our raw input. Right, because this is individual. This is individual now. Or at least in theory it will be. Yeah. Right, shit. Okay. So, either way, that would be our linear color if we have a valid string. Let me just get rid of that. I gotta rename this stuff then. On... Yeah, so on command... Oh, I see. I see. This would actually have to be that. But I think that means... Yeah, this might be able to move to the other function. So let me just pull this out of here real quick. Trying to identify this tune, but I can't. Well, it just ended, so I'm gonna go back to it. That was Streets and Faces from Baldur's Gate? Maybe Baldur's Gate 3? Unsure. Unsure. Okay, so I definitely know because we wrote these out, right? I think, yeah, so for any color thing is going to be body part first. So our raw input, actually, hold on a second. I can take a look at our history here and make sure this doesn't do anything stupid. Oh, we can get inputs. Oh my god. Okay. This is cool. Okay. So, yeah, so input 0. These are basically our arguments, right? I've never played any of the Baldur's Gates. So I can basically take input 1, or sorry, it's input 0, I guess. Input 0. This is where I would have to do a... Okay. Body part string to material index, which is a string of ints. Yeah. Because this isn't gonna change really. Or it shouldn't. Yeah, it shouldn't. I think things, no matter what, are going to get a little more complicated when or if I decide to be able to swap out my main model. But for now... No, it's not the material index, it's the color index. Whoopsie. Rename to color index. Yeah. So, compile. Basically, this will get the possible inputs, right? Because we would have body 1. We would have body 2. We would have body 3. Right? We would essentially have what is here. Body 1, body 2, body 3. Right eye, right pupil, left eye, left pupil. Right pupil, left eye, left pupil, left eye, left pupil. What were the others? Nose and mouth, I think? Yeah, nose and mouth. Nose. Oh! Press here, what'd it do? What'd it do? Hi, Slime Slime, how are you? Ooh, you know what else I could probably do? I could probably raw input to closest string this shit. Which would be crazy. Raw input. Because then I could just grab my I could just grab my keys. And do that. A little spell check nonsense on that. Pretty cool. I think your... It was supposed to be... Oh, I see. Button broken. Yeah, my heat goes down a lot. Stupid. Stupid! Okay, so... Yeah, let's do this. See if we can grab... Oh shit. Autosave. Just call this, right? This is... Get... Body part. And then, yes, and then... Doop, a doop. Find. Find me closest string. Do a little branch. Right, if it's there. Right, if it's there, do that. If not, print. Here. Otherwise, though, this... Oh, why is she so silly? Is she... Where's her head? Oh, there it is. Girl, you can't have your face that close to a screen. It's unhealthy. It's unhealthy. So this is body part index. If true, that's the body part index, right? Oh, bam. And I think this... this will be interesting. Hi, Tammy! How you doing? Welcome in. So then after all that, I need to get string field again. And this would be input 1. Oh, this is already delineated by spaces, isn't it? Okay. Oh, you know what? I know what to do. This is raw input. And I don't know, can we subtract strings? No. Oh, string parsing. Oh god. Need a cocktail so I feel something. Oh god. That kind of day, that kind of week, that kind of year. Can't I replace? Yeah, that's my source string. So I need to replace this with nothing. Yeah. Because then that should leave me with anything else. Spaces included. Which I think would save my life? I think that saves my life. Right, so if true, that's my body part index. Then check if that's a valid color. If it's not, print your mom. If it is, then grab our body part index and plug that in here. Okay. Oh, bam. So that tells me that then this is get... Right, so only if both of those are true will it actually go through. Here, oh gosh. How much open wall space do you have in your house? I have a lot. I have a good amount. I know the most I have is on this wall, which I imagine would be this much wall space. I'm not dedicated to having a shelf here, honestly. I'm wondering if some art could be fun here. Got some open space there. Not the full wall. Maybe up to this line here. Like if you draw that up. Like if I just do one of these. Come on. Give me a little snip. Yeah, so fuck. Like about here. So this is gonna get taken down. But this is all free. This is all A-okay. That's a terrible check mark. A-okay. That looks great. Okay. Have idea. Ooh! Yippee! Yippee! Oh, ads, I think. I think that's ads. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. What was I doing? What was I doing? Oh, I was in here. So yeah, either way, if either of those don't work, then we need to do some sort of like, hey, your thing doesn't work. But this should work on any of the commands. Just super neat, actually. You know what? Yeah, hold on a second, because these don't necessarily need, like, we can accept multiple commands or multiple things. Can I rename this, please? Rename on command. This will be on command. Change individual color. File save. So that should have changed over here. Yes. So we can call this command change individual color. File save. Yeah, so no matter what, you're getting the full input, right? Because if either of these are empty, then it'll just fail. Otherwise, it should port my linear color. So, you want to just try it? Which is crazy, because that means I don't even think I need to split it up like this. Like, I could legitimately, honestly, just put this down here. Right? Delete this, if true. Set current to previous. Do my linear color, do my body part index. What is this? Just kind of like descending. Sector 1. Is this also Metroid? This kind of sounds it. It has like the right level of like sci-fi spooky. So if that works, then you set individual colors, which is your current to previous. Actually, no, that's fine, right? Because then you swap it out in the palette for current, and then you blend. Oh my god. I am so sorry, Slime. That has to be Dead Sun Prime. My old project. Oh gosh, I'm so excited for it to be fucking dead. I really need this out. I'm so sorry. Okay, save. Wait, are you dead ass? Oh, you're looking for special type, I think. Yeah, that I got you. I got you. I got infinite points. I see you. I see what you're trying. I really hope that this new stuff will kind of streamline these things. I don't want to have a butt million fucking... Ooh. This is quite the crossover, isn't it? Very purple. Very purple indeed. Okay, so let's just try this. Let's just fucking go. I think we only have a... No! Oh. Okay, hold on a second. I forgot that we could just make this one fucking command. Hold on. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. Note to developer. Fix redeem. It broken. Working on it. So this is command. Change. Individual color. Which, yes, is triggered by the command that I need to edit. This, edit. This is now called color. And we will trigger it by writing color. Save. I thought you had a Dead Sun hat. Guess that, yeah, I think Fritzy has a Dead Sun hat. Not me. I do have a cone though, which sucks. Okay, so then let's change individual color, which is amazing, right? So this should be, yeah, it should be color. Okay, oh my gosh, let's see if this works. Play. Oh, this is a command. Okay, so if I do color, body 1, the green. No. Okay. Oh shit, it's because I renamed it. I know exactly why. I need to change it in what's its butt. Or shit. Where is it? Oh, that's in here. It's my... No, it's not. There it is. Streamer butt. Yeah, it's no longer called right eye color. What is it called? Would love if I could just copy paste that. Yes, I'm sure it's long. Edit. Copy. Okay. Yeah, paste. Nope, not that one. Paste. I hate when I do that. It like fucking does that. Compile, save. Yippee. Okay, one more time. Color. Oh shit. Color. Body 1. Green. It's working on my idea, and then I just thought of a better idea, so everything I just working on was a waste of time. Classic. Oh, okay, okay. Starman, you'll like this. You'll have fun playing with this. Color. Right eye. Red. Red. Oh, well that didn't work. But yeah, they're gonna be commands now. We get that custom in the new... Yeah! Yeah! Right eye. I'm wondering though if it's just mad. I see. Yeah, it's Angie. It's Angie, but we'll look at it. Yeah, let's take a peek. So then I imagine on nice and slow streams we could just mess with that all day. Yeah, what happened? It doesn't seem... Maybe... Body part index. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's defaulting to 0. You know what? Let's see if it's receiving... Well, yeah, let's see if it's outputting a closest string. See if it's even recognizing what I'm doing. I'd say color. Something that definitely isn't the first one. I guess nose? Orange. Chat. Aha, okay. So it's getting nose. It's getting nose, it's just not... For whatever reason, it's not output. Oh, it's because I put them all to 0. I never updated them. Oh my god. Incredible. Okay. That's exactly what happened. They're all just 0. Look at me. I know how maps work. Although I think I can just do this. Which is a little silly, since they're all in order, but whatever. How dare you make them all do- Yeah! They done got fucked. Whoop. I default to going to redeems. Color. Nose. Red. Is parking cone or traffic cone? Traffic cone. With no space. Looks like I got a cold. Oh my gosh, this is so silly. Okay. Color. Body 2. Cyan? Oh. Oh, okay. Now we have to try some hex. Right? In theory, this should get... Okay. In theory, this should get special... I read your thing instead. This should get color name. This should be the same as before. Color name, hex, or RGB. So if I do... I guess easy would be to test with black and white, right? Color... Oops. Exclamation point, please. Color... body 3, 0, 0, 0. And that should change it to black. I think it did. Yeah, it did. I think that was already my darkest one, but... Bottle of whiskey? What? Like me? As a whiskey bottle? Could go well with that. That's true. That's true. It's as if you're trying to smuggle me on a train. So then color, body... Would this be 1? Did I already do 2? Yeah, body 1. And I guess it would be... F is white. Oh. That's not white. What happened? Oh dear. There's some synergy with the bag and the hot dog bun. I think they might be the same material. Don't worry about it. Yeah, hold on a second. Color. Body 1. Or, sorry, body 2. Yeah, go ahead. F. What? Oh wait, there's no way that that's looking for 2 more Fs. No, it's not. Okay, great. Color body 3. F. What? The Fs should be white. What's going on? Does it work on the eyes? We thought of putting eye holes in the bag at me. I did it. I did it. Yeah, apparently that's cyan. Which, like, not true. Color. Right eye. Oh my gosh, I can't spell. Right eye. FF. Right? It's 6 numbers. That's why it's called hex code. What the fuck? That's not cyan. Am I crazy? Am I insane? Red isn't registering? Did you try one? Did you try red? Color. Yeah, for some reason the red channel isn't being processed. Wait, what? On my colors? What are you talking about? What? Oh, you mean, oh. See, but I thought I already did a cyan. Hold on. Maybe we can check if it'll do, if I can type white, right? Okay, yeah. Oh, it's ignoring the red part of the hex code. Yeah, why is it doing that? Yeah, I think, well, it's because it's reading, it does different code whether it's a color, like a color name or a hex code. But if I do color body 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, or I guess it would be FF 0, 0, 0, 0 would be red, completely red. Oh. Wait, and that's not right either. Why is it ignoring shit? Okay, something's up with the hex thing. Alright, good to know, good to know. Let's see what it's doing. What are you doing? String. I need hex string to linear color. Yeah, get rid of the... Oh. I see. I see. Oh, it does accept alpha, which is crazy. Are we all colorblind now? Maybe. Maybe. Let's maybe in here do a little printy print. Let's do in a pen. Because this is basically, yeah, this is converting it to RGB. So I can do jaboink space R get G space and get a B. Because I'm not doing alpha, I don't care. Composite. See what you're thinking. So if you put 0, 0, FF 0, 0, it would be blue. Hopefully not. What? Okay. Can I do it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, something is wrong. Something's super wrong. Weird. What it should be is R is G. What should be... Oh, wait, is that what it is? It's just getting confused? Oh, wait, I didn't see if it... I didn't see what it's printing. Is that what it was printing? Color. Body 1. Let me just redo what you did just to take a look. Right, this should be green. And it should be... Oh, why is it just printing 0? Weird. Yeah, but the fact that it's printing shit weird is weird. Okay. Yeah, what is it even getting then? Maybe there's a dark blue black color. Yeah, because it should be printing all of them. All of the colors. It's only printing 0? This calls for a lab coat? It probably does. It probably does. Maybe I need to add pin and say, this is a hex. So that it at least fucking tells me it's printing something. Color. Body 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aha! It's not even printing that it's a color. What is it printing though? What the fuck is going on? Where do I have shit printing? Can I just find print? Yeah, what is it? Ooh, it looks super weird. Yeah, hold on. Just have it print hex if it receives a hex, right? It's just printing F. Okay, so it's not even accepting it as a hex code for some reason. Let's see what it's doing. String color format. Oh yes, all of this. I remember this. String. First and foremost, why is it not accepting that? Did this get broken somewhere? It was accepting other shit. Oh, read the valuable of... Wait. Oh, I see. Yeah, this is just pulling out there. Okay. If the string is exactly 6 or 8 characters, check if all the characters are valid in hex. Oh, you know what? It's probably reading a space. It's probably reading space in there. Ugh. Do you need to put, you shouldn't have to, because it'll strip it out anyway. Get rid of that. I'm not using these right now. Yeah, it's just not reading what it's supposed to. So I thought it would do this parsing for me. Hold on. Let's see what it's outputting for string color type. Right, what is it actually seeing if we put a hex? Because it doesn't seem to be printing properly. Well, it's saying it's a hex. Oh, you know what? Yeah, it's probably reading the spaces. Wait, no. If it's reading it as a hex, then it should output. It should be what? Right. That's the output from here. It's not saying invalid or anything. It's saying hex. So if it's hex, then it should be doing the hex. Yeah, it should be doing that. Maybe just print my input string. Like, totally and completely. Oh shit, yeah, hold on. Save. Yeah, I'm wondering if... just output that. What is it getting? What is it doing? There we go. Color. Body 1. FFFF. Yep, it's getting that first space. Okay. Alright, alright. Which I guess makes sense. Okay, that's fine. Let's take a little peek at our code. I love strings. Oh, wait, yeah, no, that's actually an easy fix. Yeah, because it's just doing a hard subtract, which means it's inheriting the space, which means we can just get rid of it. Oh my gosh, if I could just find what I'm looking for. There it is. So what I need instead here is I need an append. Oh. Right, just give me what this is, add a little spacey space, remove that. So that it gets rid of that little spacey space. Try that. Color. Shit, color, body 1. If. Yippee! Alright, so that's working and printing correctly. For now. Let's try other hex codes. Color. Body 2. Okay, it's fucking spaces, you know? Body 2, and I can put the pound sign in there, hopefully. 0000000. Wow. But if you want, we can try... hold on, color, body 3, like 5,000, 0, 0. See if it becomes fluorescent. Not really. I mean, kinda. Maybe... No, not really. I think that might have been an unlit specialty, which is annoying. This is fun though. This looks like I got splatter painted. But anyway. Bleh. Oh, actually, this might be good to take a look and see how it reads. Like, do you have your Starman hex available? Like, just see how it reads that color? See if it's any better than on me? Or the, I was thinking the blue. Like the blue of your username, right? That's what I was thinking. Yeah. See if that, how that looks. Oh, it still looks really bright, don't you think? It's like really bright. That's the color though? Hold on. Let's take a little peek at the other thing just because I'm curious. This is 3 F 7 F F F. So this is what it's giving me. I don't know how that shows up on your screen, but that does look significantly darker than what it put on me. Hi, Gio! So, I'm wondering... Oh, it's probably an sRGB versus linear. Okay, hang on a second. How do I do that? This is how it's supposed to be? Okay, let's... I wonder if there's a way, because I know I'm working in linear color, which is probably why it's getting fucky instead of doing sRGB. How do I do that? I wonder if there's a way that I can look at that. Hex string to linear color. It actually looks a little darker than it should on the wood. Yeah, I think that might just be because it's a dark scene. I had to jack up the brightness, so I would love to see though if maybe I can make, or can I do like any sort of hex stuff? Not like that. Color to hex. Nope, that's the string. That's really annoying, because it looks like in here I can tweak whether I'm working in sRGB. Oh, linear color set from sRGB. Oh, wait, what's this? Wait. It doesn't even have an output. What is this? What? Maybe I should turn to the Googles? Linear color set from sRGB. I don't know why I didn't put Unreal in front of it. Okay, well this is textures, which is not quite what I'm looking for. In out color. Assigns an F color coming from an observed sRGB output into linear color. What? The sRGB color that needs to be converted into linear space. What? Why is it in out color? I don't know what this means. But this is a void. Can I not do a float to a void? The fuck is a void? Integer? To void? Oh, I see. Linear color test, where here we set linear color test. Whoops. Let's try this. Okay, first of all, do that. Set linear color test. Set linear color set from sRGB and then try that. Get rid of this shit. Oh, shit. Oh no. Beep 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 beep. Oh. That wouldn't work, would it? That doesn't work. Do you have those color commands set up for any other coats or such? No, you can do it on anything. Anything. See if that is stupid? Maybe that's stupid. Maybe that's dumb, but we're gonna try it. Like, what is it expecting here? I don't know. What are the commands for the eyes again? Here, I can show you. Let me just see if this does anything. So that would be, well, yeah, let me try this. Color, body one, this. See if that changes at all. Nah, it's still bright as fuck. Okay. The other ones are, it would be eye, right pupil. Let me just write them out here. Left eye, pupil. Did it change a little bit? You think so? I'd have to check. It might have just been because it was on black, wasn't it? Bless you. Alright. These are your other inputs, aside from body 1 through 3. GSS legend. Okay. So maybe I will do something like this. Oh, we don't have the coats set up, we just have the colors. Coats are next. Coats are next. Although, maybe I will do a little bit of a sleepy real quick. So I can hit the bathroom and stuff. So, let's go sleepy here. Sleepy. Yeah, so I'll leave this running if you want to do color stuff, but otherwise, yeah, I'll be right back. Hello. We're so back. We're so back. Okay. I see you have done some colors. Oh shit, wow. Lots of colors. Skater. Scatter? Skater? Scatter. Splatter. Look at all this. That's awesome. Hello. Yeah, so colors are working. That's really cool. Shall we do some coats? Look at me, I'm so pretty. Oh. Oh my. There we go. Oh, just a sec. Yeah. I'll leave it up. But yeah, then we'll do coats. I think meshes are a little bit funky right now. But we'll work on it. What? Spotted. This is cute. I like this one. What was it? Silver Savannah, I think you mentioned the other stream? Good color. Looks good. I need to do some kind of spotted for this new project. I need to do more Silver Savannah. Yeah. Just adding a touch of red really fucks it up, doesn't it? I mean, do you need a little zoom in here, or need a little? I don't know which bit you're doing. I think this is body one, right? This guy. Yeah, I'll leave it here. But yeah, let me. Oh, shit. There we go. Let me pull this up. Ah, shit. Alright. That's what I get for clicking off of it. I think that's as close as I'm gonna get to Survivor Blue right now. Fair enough. Fair enough. Does that mean we're good for now? Oh, no, you're still tweaking. Hey, was that the one on my ear? That one's not too bad looking. I don't like that one. Oh yeah, go for it. I'm taking a sip. Yeah, then we'll do coats. Yeah. Coats meshes are gonna be a little bit interesting right now. So you know what? StreamerBot definitely should be able to let you toggle on or off redeems, right? Don't you think? Small news, I did some cleanup today on my game and cleared a number of major bugs. Caused by the rebuild. I still have old code in a number of places, but things are looking super solid right now. Fuck yeah. Very cool. I love that. Oh. Am I getting decked out? This is exciting. I recently read Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, and I relayed, make of that what you will. Okay. Wrong body parts. Do what you will. Do what you will. Oh, I see. Oh. Think StreamerBot can do that? Okay. That would be cool. Because I'm wondering if maybe I could tie that to my buttons of like, hey, I'm in this mode, or I'm in that mode, or I'm in whatever, you know? Oh. We're playing dress up. Oh. Ah. I feel like there has to be a way to set it up to have contextual redeems. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It would be like, you know, if I'm in this mode, then turn these redeems on, right? If I'm playing this game, then turn these redeems on, you know what I'm saying? You're done. What coat would this be in an ideal world? Although actually, do I have my stream up? maybe. Do I? Because then I can just, yeah. Just copy. Let me copy it. What the fuck? Come on. Why? Why? No, I don't want to pin it. Let me copy this. Jesus. Fine, I guess I'll copy the whole fucking message. Jesus. Meow. Okay. Not that small. Because then maybe we can make a custom one for fun. Computer said no. Seriously, yeah. Love to have custom redeems for mini games so people can still do stuff even if I'm not compete. Yeah, exactly. Here, wait, where's my notepad? There it is. That would be amazing. Beep. Right, well, I didn't want to copy all of that. There we go. That's the hex. That's the hex I'm looking for. Save. Because then we can come back to this. And we can make some custom stuff for fun. Okay. Okay. Coats. Coats time. If I play the noodle mini game, can my noodle look like this? Right now it pulls from the color of your username, but I wonder if that could be something that you can tweak. Maybe that can be like a separate command or something. I'm sitting like an idiot. I need to sit not like an idiot. Okay. Yeah, let me check StreamerBot real quick. Because what would be amazing is if I could go to Twitch. If I could do... What are they called here? Rewards? Configure rewards, maybe? Oh, yeah! Okay. Disable, not configure... Oh, what? So you can either enable, pause, or disable on a button press, which is cool. I'll have to look into that. I'll have to look into that. I think I can pull user color from a chat message. Oh right, that was all Twyworks based. Ooh! That's all gonna have to be StreamerBot now. Okay, cool. How did you link Twitch to Unreal Engine? Well, right now we're using StreamerBot as an intermediary. Where StreamerBot reads Twitch, and then Unreal reads StreamerBot. All thanks to Geo. It is all his fault. All your fault. Okay. Coats. Coats is what I was gonna do. Uber plugins, yeah. Code manager, right? So this is all the timeline bullshit. Oop. This is all the timeline stuff, so I think that can go over there. This kind of has to be close by. This is gonna have to be similar to... Okay. Let's make a new command. Wrong hex code. Okay, so these were for testing, so I don't need them. Delete. What did I call them? Did I call it texture? Texture or pattern, you think? I think texture might read better. See, these are going to be interesting, because then I think I'd have to group these in a better way. I guess it's the debug code. I guess everyone can use it right now. Alright, color, preset, texture. So preset right now does everything, which I guess means I should like limit it maybe only to me. Because that's probably going to be the redeem bit. Okay, so we got texture. Hi. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is terrifying. Uh-huh. Fucking Witch of the West looking at. Command. Texture. Okay. And this has to be texture. I don't know if I have to save that constantly, but I do. Which means then this has to be command texture. Which needs another one of these fuckers. Oh, this has to be there. Wow, I did not name these correctly. On command preset. On command texture. So this one I imagine will work very similarly, where you pick a body part and then you pick a texture for it. It's just a matter of how I'm gonna organize these textures. Which commands are you limiting to you? I think probably just the preset. Or maybe me and mods. Because then everything else can kind of be available in debug mode. This would all be reliant on me being, or because I would like to have control of whether or not you can redeem these, or sorry, use these commands for the most part, or at least most people can use them. Especially if I'm doing something. Like, I guess it would depend on the stream. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but we have texture, which I can pull into here, and I can, oh, I never renewed this. Embarrassing. JSON. JSON. Oh, come on. New param? Are you dead ass right now? Ugh. Just fucking unplug yourself, stupid. Okay. Oh, it would help if I connected those two. Beep. Okay, so that is at least that setup. I would do some sort of streamer bot manager and bind texture. I'm gonna put that maybe up here for now, just for working space. Shit. Event. Please add a custom event. On command tag. Command. File save. Okay, so we're gonna have to do something similar to here. So definitely these guys. Copy, paste, where we get our JSON, because this first one, because my textures are slightly different, which is really annoying. Let me duplicate this maybe. Duplicate, call it body part string to texture index. Oh great, it copies between here, but not between blueprints. Or sorry, within a blueprint, but not between blueprints, which is a little annoying. Whatever, whatever, okay. To texture index. Right, because these, I only have 8 rayons, which I believe are, oh, not that. Body, right, because body and body long are technically different textures, which is really annoying. Wait, no, these can both be body. Surely, right? Because this is going to be mapping to inputs. Because if you're going to change the body, you're going to want to change the whole thing. Just because they're two different textures on my end. Yeah, okay. I think that makes sense. where I need right eye, right pupil, left eye, left pupil, nose, mouth. Oh, I need the mouth. Hold on a second. Mouth. No, wait, what? I'm heading off to bed. Godspeed, Sammy. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. So 7 is mouth. What's going on? Right eye is 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Fuck, okay. This is annoying. Because I have to get my keys. Keys. Raw input to close a string. Beep. 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 Raw input. So on my closest string. Oh dear God. Okay, closest string. I guess the dumbest but maybe easiest way to do this is equals exactly. Right? If this is body, then I need you to do it for both things. Yeah, wait a second. This is gonna be complicated. It's gonna be complicated. Right, because it's not as easy as having like a color map. I need some sort of maybe for right now we can keep it simple. And we can almost treat this like a code type. Why is it gotta be so complicated? Yes, I agree. Okay. I think maybe this then makes sense to just have one input or just grab the raw input. So maybe don't do that. Delete that. Right, just get the raw input, just get what's there. Don't do that. And then, oh, right, and then maybe from here we do closest. Closest string. Raw input to closest string. Boink. Boink. Where are my possible inputs? Ooh, my possible inputs? Ooh. My possible inputs. I guess I would take a preset name? Because some of these could have, like, yeah, I guess this could be a preset name. Which I think is already here. Yeah, accepted presets. Okay, and then I guess from there, once I have the string I want, note to self, looks like Noodle escaped being tortured with a moving on repeat. Wait, what? You mean I changed the playlist? Because I did do that. Closest? Levine. What the fuck did I say? I know it wasn't that. That's weird. Anyway. Closest string. What am I doing with this? From here? Oh, you know what? From here, I can probably do this shit. Yeah, no, this is just the same thing. I can just get my coat preset and basically just blend textures, right? I think that's all I need to do. Oh, and... oh wait, I think set current to previous is in there. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Wait a second. That's not right. That's not right. That's not right. That's not right. I need like a set, yeah. I need like a set textures function separately. Beep, beep. Coat preset. Okay, yeah, that does set everything. Okay. Maybe I can do something similar to what I had down here, though. Where... well, no. Because... oh, this is annoying. Okay. Because I'm still gonna have to read from the data asset. Because what I'm anticipating is that I'm gonna set my new to previous. It's gonna set all of these things. Unless I go ahead and set current. If I set previous to current on everything except the textures, which I think kind of is silly. I think this is why I was kind of hoping that I could split this out, but I feel like having to cast 4 times in a row is a little silly. This is giving me flashbacks to my own game dev. Oh dear. C++ be like, include. Oh, ads. I'm so sorry. I always forget to warn about them. Like, is a cast expensive? Like, is it dumb for me to, like, make, like, when this is done, just, like, get this asset? I think that's dumb. Like, the fact that it is automatically overwriting everything. Like, this is get preset. But it also feels dumb. It also feels dumb. Hey, wait a second. I think SheerBot has a trigger to announce ads in advance. But like they're all... I'm adding it to the list, hold on. Of things that I want to do. StreamerBot. Warn about ads. That'd be cool. I would like that. I cast and promote if it's the same thing that's gonna be referenced a bunch. Yeah, because I'm maybe wondering... here's what I'm thinking. Like, instead of doing this... instead of doing this, I'm wondering if I break each of these out. That doesn't feel right to me, though. That doesn't feel right. I cast and promote. Like, it is literally just this one thing. But right here, like, this would feel weird. If I were to have... oh, shit. If I were to have, like... one function that did this. One function that did this, right? Is that stupid? Is that the parent data asset? Yeah, that's the blueprint. I think that's how we had it set up last time, right? Get the little baby asset, get the parent asset, cast to that, and set those things. I don't remember why we did that, though, if I'm being quite honest. Right, do I have variables just in here? No. I am silly. What's going on in here? Space Rabbit Studio, how you doing? We're doing some fun stuff, I think. And by fun, I mean complicated. I made a data asset from the parent, then I can use the data asset as a variable directly. Shenanigans, indeed. Well, see, cause yeah, I grabbed. Is this what you mean? I had an original thought of setting. Right, of like setting this as true, right? And then doing whatever I want with it outside of the loop. And kind of splitting these up as I need it. Should go to bed soon? Absolutely. Go have some sleep. That looks wrong? Probably because I made it. But yeah, that's kind of the loop that we have for grabbing the preset. Right? Get all of our assets from that folder, right? Check the name. Go to the parent data asset in the content. Oh. Yeah, let me just put that there so that doesn't shit the bed. I did have to remake this because it was different, so it wouldn't surprise me if upon remaking it, I fucked it up, so. So yeah, this is my presets class. You have regular data assets from the parent? Wait, yeah, you mean like these? Yeah, I made some. I exported some, yeah. Am I doing this right? Okay. That's okay. Oh my gosh, and I should send a picture or something. Or maybe next time I do whittling, I'll show. I took my bishop off his post. And he looks beautiful. I love him. Let me open. Oh my gosh. You literally just said you were gonna go to bed soon. Crazy. I appreciate you though. Oh, is that what you said? You said spoon? Bed spoon? Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, so the textures, yeah. I think it would be easiest for these to read from the presets, because they might be fully custom. And then they'll all kind of line up in a way that makes sense. Right. Right, so basically from the string, I just need it to update the textures, right? That's it. Which is why I was hoping that I could literally just have it do that one. I don't need all four for this case, I just need that one. You know? Make a variable using the parent asset data as the class. Like, set this as a... Sorry, set this as a variable? Like after the cast, or... Oh, maybe after here. This is just object reference. I love how highlighting this sometimes is really helpful. Like, this reference versus... This just is a thing. Oh, not attached to anything? Oh, okay. Beep. I can rename this later, I'm calling it test. And this is just a normal thing, and this is presets. Object reference. Oh, wait a second. Do I know where this is going? Maybe I don't. Who is talking to me? Okay. That probably makes sense. Compile. Oh, it does say compile the blueprint, doesn't it? Beep beep. Oh, okay. Well, here's my test. I see. Okay, yeah. And these are my smaller ones. Okay. Yeah, I think it's safe to delete that. I am quite excited to get rid of some of these. Because I don't think I use most of these now. Stop highlighting. No, stop it. Shush. Why are you obsessed with this one little thing? There we go. You should now be able to set to any of your presets, and it will allow you to directly pull variables from inside them. Oh, so I don't even need to cast? Is that what you're talking about? Like dead ass? Okay, no casts needed. Huh. Preset data. So how do I set this? Oh wait, I can. Oh my god. No. Wait, really? Is this object reference output and oh, it might not. Wait a second. Okay, then I'm not understanding. Because that's what I thought this was outputting to. But like, not really. I think just dealing with these assets is a little bit confusing to me. That's how data assets should be used variable-wise. Oh. So wait. Then how do I go from this? Let me just take a look. What am I doing up here? Yeah, because I'm getting the asset data from the asset registry. Oh, and that's just string stuff. Yeah, okay. And then I get that asset data that exists. Like, maybe it's in here? No. Like, I guess I'm just not seeing how this dark blue can go to this guy, you know? Which, like, maybe that's where I can... Right? This plugs in. Like, maybe I can just set that in here? Like, maybe I can just do this cast once. Because I only need it to happen when I update this preset. So I can update the preset and then, like, individually be like, get color palette and, like, set that or use that, you know? Like, maybe I don't even necessarily need them to be set here. You know? Like, I can just grab it as, like, a current thing, you know? Does that make sense? I don't know. Kind of makes sense to me, but I don't necessarily know a lot of things. I know some things. Let me take a peek at StreamerBot real quick and see if I can add warning. Group, Twitch, Q? Yeah. Yeah, let me just see if I can get this working. Nothing ever makes sense. You understand. Oh, ads. Oh, ad run, upcoming ad. Oh my god. I can definitely do 1 minute. Maybe just 1 minute. 1 minute out. Web actions. Ad. Can I send a chat? Send announcement? What's the difference between an announcement and a message? Ed 10. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. That's so... Whatever. I think I'm funny. Okay. An announcement is highlighted. Oh. I guess I don't need it. Oh, wait. Like highlighted in chat? Not pinned? Okay. I don't think that's a problem. That should be okay. Although... I use them for my racing game so people can see what the current word is. Oh, cool. Okay. Well then maybe I'll give this an edit. What's the difference between send using bot account? Whoa, I see. Can I have it come from me? Is that returning that? Call back to broadcast. Sure. Done. Well, it's connected to Twitch, isn't it? Yeah, so maybe it'll just do it. Gosh, okay. Pinned it in the one thing that's missing from Twitch's IP, but highly requested, so it's on their to-do list. Ah, I see. Oh, let me take a look. Let me take a little peek. Little peeky peek. 1 million. Oh wait, what am I talking about? Message. Image, not message. Oh, get assets by class. Wait, what? Okay, let me take a peek. Beep. Okay. That was from up here, right? Shit. I'm getting lost in my own fucking blueprint. Fuzzy on how to use that, so you might need to do some R&D. Okay, so it's definitely this, right? Get asset. It's by class, right? Class, path, name, split. Class path asset name? Get asset data for all assets within a supplied class. It's strange that it doesn't, like, accept, like, a class? Oh, wait. Does this give me the path? Not really. Is this looking... Oh. Yeah, it's just to do with using the content browser rather than the scene. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna teach myself some more C++ by also, what should I make? In C++? Oh my gosh, I have no idea. I have no idea. No idea, but I have to learn C++ myself. Okay. Make Space Invaders? Do it. Do it. Shit. What am I doing? Oh, I was gonna Google this. Let's see. Unreal. Get assets by class. I love documentation. Struct. Okay. The full path of the class name and the asset requested in a top-level asset path structure. Oh. I remember seeing a way to get all data assets by the parent class as a method. Get assets. Supplied class. Like, maybe that's data assets. What's package name? Where do I find that? right? Because it says for package name. Package name. Package name? Nope. I found a Reddit. Is it the same Reddit I'm looking at? I'm not looking at a Reddit. But yes, if you send, I will look. Oh, okay. Oh, and an image. Okay. Oh, get assets by class. What? That's not what I'm seeing. Okay. Let me see. Let me see what Reddit says. I see. That's that image. Okay. Instead of using get assets by class, I use get assets by path. Gets all the assets of all classes in a specific color. From there, you can loop through the array and cast project. Wait, what? Isn't that what I'm doing? Oh, YouTube link in there. Ha ha ha. Here. Oh, hell yeah. How the fuck do I? Okay. Oh, my eyes. Project settings, data assets, data assets, data assets. But yeah, I thought this is what I was doing. This is what they concluded with. No, that's cool. This does kind of look like what we're doing here, though, right? We have get assets by path. Oop. Get assets by path. Get that for each. Do whatever you gotta do. Which I think down here, down here I for each. I think in my case I just check the name. Yeah, if that, get asset, and then cast. So I'm wondering, though, if it does make sense to cast to that, set this, and then just move this out of this loop. Because then I can make a separate set of functions to do each of these things, you know? Either way, I have to watch this video so that I know what's going on. I love how it's like fucking dog shit quality. Let me read this, please. Okay, so get data assets by class. Yeah, this isn't what it's giving me at all. It's giving me a struct for it's giving me a struct for get data assets by class. Which is weird to me. Go to bed, Gio. Go have good sleeps. Have good sleeps. I'm gonna try that. See if I can just split this. If I can just do one of these, you know? Maybe it's been changed. Epic, how dare you? Fuckers. Good night. Have good sleep, Gio. Have good sleep. Yeah, so I think maybe I'll just set this. Cut. Paste. So I can deal with that later. Oh, you know what? I need to add this as a color name. So I'm using a different thing now. So that should give me the preset data asset. And then from there, well, yeah, so separately from there, get coat preset. This should definitely be a function, actually. Can I make this a function? This is get preset data asset. Right, because then you can have an output. Input string. So then every time I use that, I have to use this. Which I think is only in 2 places, so we should be fine. Right, it's there, and it's not even there. Incredible. Okay. Right. Can I see when you're being used? Find references by name. Yep, that's it. Alright, goodbye. Awesome. Okay, so then yeah. So on completed return preset data asset, which is a preset fucking thing. I guess this could, can I convert this to a local variable? I can promote it. Okay, whatever, leave it. My eyes, okay. Which means here... For now, let me try this. Here, we can set all of them, right? We can make this a function once we know it works. So that should set all of them, and welcome back. So I need to get my preset asset data. And from there, I need to get textures. And I need to set my current textures. Right? Is that what I do down here? Yeah, preset textures. Right, so then that should set it, or that should put it in the current previous thing, and then you just blend from there, right? Compile, save? Instant done? Instant win? Probably not. Worth a try though. So this is called, well, in this case I can probably change it to coat or something. Nah, texture. Aha! Very nice. Okay. So and this is how you change textures without having to change colors. So I can do texture, I think vanilla is a tuxedo. So this being the case, I'm going to have to almost make defaults called tabby, calico, shit like that, instead of doing these, but this should still work. Okay. Very cool, very cool, very cool. So we're working. Although, yeah, maybe we'll leave it, that's cool. What am I listening to? DDD's theme? That's awesome. I would always say DD, when I was a kid, and it just stuck with me. I was like, why is this familiar? Here we go. Okay, super fun. Glad this is working. Yeah, I think models are gonna be their own thing. Ooh. Yeah, models might be separate. Almost there. Yeah. Hell yeah. Very cool. So yeah, then from here you can do... Well, if you're looking for a tabby right now, it would be strawberry. Torty would be chocolate. I have to make it easier to read, but yeah. Yippee. Oh, I have my controller. I forgot. Ooh. It would help if I clicked into the window. And I look like I have a little mask on. I think something's a little fucky with the depth of field. I'm wondering if there's some setting that I have to tweak. Like, you see how it like kind of fucks with the edges a little bit? I kind of don't like it. Anyway. Puppies? Oh dear. Oh. Where did this, like, orange come from? Right? These are all just two colors, aren't they? Yeah, it should be tabby. It's a little strange that it's, doing this, though. Hey, thanks for the follow! Gracious Chin Spittle. Oh dear. But yeah, there might be some weirdness with the, although I really don't know why. Hopefully that other body color will kind of work itself out. Yeah, that looks fine. That was weird. That was weird. I don't like it. I don't fucking like it. Okay. But yeah. Yippee! We done did it. So yeah, I guess that means that if there's a custom thing that has this like setup going, then you can do the body colors to tweak that shit and, you know, do that shit. So honestly, I'm kind of really happy with just those debug commands. I think meshes are going to be their own thing that I'm going to have to work on separately. Head pats for orange juice. Oh my. So, okay. Let me pause that. Yippee! Okay, so this will be separate. But as far as I'm concerned, this bit's done. This I have to figure out. This could be cool. I gotta see if it works. So I think really my main thing is I need to make more presets. I think for now, I can start doing some coat variations, like just some basics. Like I can start doing some of this stuff. Like I can do like the gray tabby sort of deal. But yeah, this would also mean that I could have multiple like types of tabbies, multiple types of torties, you know? It'd be very exciting. I'm chugging a bottle of orange colored water that tastes like Fanta. Hopefully it is Fanta. That would be crazy if it wasn't. What did I pick? Were these orange eyes? Or sorry, yellow eyes? I think they were. I think that's what we did last time. Maybe. I don't remember. Although, gray kind of looks good with like a greenish. Hey yo! It's a fruitsy! Welcome in! Thank you for, oh my god, 33 months? What the fuck? Jesus. Welcome in, no? We're doing some fun stuff here, you wanna see? Here, let me finish this coat. Let me finish this coat real quick. This way. Let me just finish exporting this and then we can do some fun stuff. I'm trying to get some debug commands working. I guess this would probably be pink, don't you think? Probably a lighter pink. Cute. Cute. Is that gonna read? Yeah, it's gonna read. That's how I'd react when people tell me how long something was. I'm like, what the fuck? Especially like subs like that, like streaming and all that. I'm like, you people stick around for this shit? That's crazy. I'm just in my fucking living room, just, you know, doing silly little cat things. Alright, ready? Oh, I'm so excited. There. I have some commands up and running. You make should I blame you? I try my best, but so I made a bunch of commands, which I need to do help docs on, actually. And I actually had to go dig up your, long time ago you sent me that string parsing library. I put that in here. I put that in here. It works like a charm. It's great. So I can do color, or I guess first of all, I can do presets. So we're gonna do something like that. Oh. Did the song seriously say watch out as I like ate shit on dodgeballs? That's ridiculous. There's no way it just did that. Oh, you know what? I forgot streamer rule number 1. There we go. Okay, so I can do some commands. See? I can do a strawberry. I can do a preset. I only have a couple right now. See? You can do some of those, but what has me really excited, actually... Yeah, let's go back to strawberry. I like that. Preset strawberry. Oh, I can't spell. I can't spell. Oh, but that's cool. Because I have spell check. Yippee! Looks great with the... I'm so excited. Oh, and then I can take a little peeky and look at all that. Look at all the pink. Look, it's all me. Oh, broke the camera. There we go. It's so pink. Anyway. Oh, shit. But what actually has me excited is I can do body, or shit, color. Or from here, oh shit. I can do texture. Actually, do I have a calico? I might. So then from there I can do tweaks like that, and I can do color, bright eye. Make that shit bright red if I really fucking want. My debug commands, I'm very excited. In the vents, I am in the vents. But, no. I got pink eye. I got red eye. I'd like poked it too hard or something. Anyway. But yes, I'm very excited for like, I don't want to say for no reason. I spent a lot of time on it, but Christmas eyes, thank you. But like, it kind of just feels like it's actually coming together now. Hi. Yeah, I just need more shit. I just need more shit in my environment at this point, I think. Right? I need pillows on my couch. I need wall art. I need shit in my shelves, you know? I need a nice mug. A nice mug of hot tea right there, you know? And then I just need to hope and pray that it actually packages properly. Oh, and I also need to fix that texture. I can't believe that's been broken since day 1. Since day 1! Time for a middle poster sponsor. Oh! You're so right. Alright, we're having fun. I popped a vessel in my eye before that kind of... Oh, gosh. That sounds like it hurt. That doesn't sound like fun. Okay. That's really cool. Actually getting models and stuff, like props and things, is gonna be a whole other deal. So, honestly, I'm pretty jazzed about just kicking out some presets. Oh, I never actually kicked out that preset. That's funny. Did it save? Yeah, it did. Okay, cool. But yeah, I was gonna start kicking some of these out, and then just make a ton. Make them fun. Scratch my eye too. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Okay, let me run that. Right, this is... Bless you. Gray tabby. Oh, okay, yeah, I have a couple. Chocolate. Calico. Wood. Oh, yes. Wood is new. I gotta take the glasses off. No glasses. No glasses. We're gonna ignore the meshes for now. No? It's not gonna hide them? Incredible. Yes, please overwrite. Oh, uh-oh. Running the editor with no load startup packages. Oh, it's in use? Oh. Duh. Wait. Ah, shit, that's annoying. Yeah, because I'm... Okay, ooh, goodbye. You can make a cool album cover with this. Oh, hi, Nix. How are you? Yeah, truly, you're quite sneaky. Oh, fuck. I hate that double click doesn't run it, and it makes you edit it. Clear that. Does that work? Yes. Awesome. Okay, yeah, we don't need sunnies. We don't need sunnies on vanilla. Oh, I do want that open, because then I can go to my gray tabby, and I can just make you orang. Like this kind of orang. I'd like about 20? Oh, wait, what the fuck? Oh, this one. Oh, I need to bump up the saturation. What am I doing? Oops, not that. Yes. Maybe there. Maybe brighter. Up here. Brighter. Huh? Oh, okay. I was like, what are you hearing? Yeah. Brighter. Maybe this needs to not be pure white. Something like that. I think green eyes are still fine, but maybe these need to be a little bit more pink so I can see them better. And this is orange tabby. What other cats are there? I guess I can do a black cat, which would be solid. Or maybe I could name one solid. No. Maybe I do. Just so that I have a texture thing to read from, which I think by default should be a solid black. Oh. Why is it this color? Alright, whatever. Which I think this should lean more yellow. Yeah. Is my little black cat... Well, her eyes are quite interesting, actually. I swear they change color depending on what she's standing on. And she also has... maybe darker? Yeah, maybe we can do that. Hopefully that reads. I'm gonna have to check on that one. Yeah, hold on. So let's export solid. But that should also be black. If you put it in the preset. Okay. Let's try it in the main level. Beep. Preset black. That was strange. Oh, I know exactly why. Yeah. At least you can see everything okay. Ah, that was weird. Thinking of making my PNG model into escargot, even though I'm supposed to be oh, you should do that. That'd be funny. Oh, hi Rusty. How you doing? You want to see something fun? You want to see what I've been working on? I'm working on debug commands. I'm still working on getting more presets out there, but I need a... Is reindeer color? This is supposed to be black. It's a black cat. I think I gotta make it darker, but I can do this? No, I can't. It's called preset, idiot. That I can't spell check for. Oops, here. Fuck yeah. Should I be black escargot or good cooked? Ooh, good cooked escargot is quite good. I think making it more bluish would make it look black without having to go super dark. Yeah, that makes sense. I think that would be a little more stylized too. But yeah, I got texture. So yeah, because then I can do texture solid, right? And that should, yeah, then that should swap to solid. Color, body 1. Make it like, I don't know. Green. Wow. Great. Oh, this is technically body 2. Oh, that's annoying. Body 2, green. I have to change that, actually. That's really annoying. I'm not gonna be able to survive with solid being body 2. That's stupid. But yeah, we can do commands. Yippee! Okay, let's take a peek at that solid. Or that black, I guess. Solid black. It's so dark over here, you know? Sorry, Starman. I skipped out of there. Oh, I see, yeah. So you're saying lean it more blue. Oh, that could be nice. Ooh, that could be nice. I like that one. See, this is why I'm not a color expert. How funny would it be if it accepted that? That'd be great. I just figured out the hex code. Or... That's not right. It's not zeros. And then maybe those can be like that. Oh! Where's my fucking thing? There it is. Run. And this would be black. That would be black for sure. Let's over right, please. Thank you. Let's see what that looks like over here. Yeah, safe. Beep. Oh, okay. I was like, what are you talking about? Oh. Oh dear. Here, let me try this black preset, and then you can do what you will. I just need to check this color. Yeah, that looks nicer. That looks, yeah, I like that. Okay, it's all you. Have fun. Have fun. I was just gonna make everything black. I could do that. You could probably have something like blackout or something. Here we go. Don't do it. Also, it's solid. Yeah, you're like, oh. Oh dear. How spooky. How spooky. I love how you can't really see my mouth very well. See it a little bit. Lo-fi Final Fantasy. I think it is. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Has been tarred. Oh gosh. No feathers. Fur and fuzz only. Whee! See, that makes it look super spooky when it goes all the way around and out. Anyway, good night. Sleepy time. Okay, let's make a couple more presets for the coat colors. And then I'll obviously have to make more, but I think that might be a task for the next stream. Because this is really fucking close to being done. This is really close. Okay, so where's my thing? Put it like there, we can do it like that, yeah. I remember chocolate had the torty. Yeah. Which I think this is actually mostly pretty good. I think I just want to lean a little more orange there. This is probably just a little bit more like it. Oh shit. This is a little bit more like it. No. What? What fucking color am I looking at? Yeah, should it not be this one? Oh, okay, whatever. Why isn't either of these changing? There it is. What the fuck? If I finish making this sketch, I might actually become this escargot. Do it. Do it. This is where it would be lovely to have a little texture on the nose. I think these were probably good yellow. Bless you. Nope, I need this one. Yeah. I guess. Dorty. Sure. Export, because we can always change it. Vanilla was the tuxedo. This has to be darker. I think these were green. I think we settled on these being like a maybe this kind of green. It's kind of like a sea green. I feel like the warmer we lean, the better. Yeah, like that. So yeah, way more flexibility in what I can and cannot do, which is super exciting for me. Because now I can add all kinds of textures and shit. Very exciting. Darker than that. Lighter than that? Oh, not that way. It's fine. Tuxedo. Export. What am I missing? Calico, tabby, tuxedo, solid, torty, pointed? Pointed? Ooh. Oh, I think that was solid too. Solid. Oh gosh, Eds. I'm so sorry. Oh wait, my streamer bot thing didn't work. Probably because I didn't have it come from a whatever the fuck. Wait. Really? Oh, okay, edit. Yeah, I probably need to do that. Okay, cool. Okay. You know what? Let's start with something else. Let's start gray tabby, and then go pointed from there. Yep, shit, solid. Oh my gosh, and then I'm tired, so. And it's bedtime. This is kind of like a brown, right? Kind of like a... maybe like that? Definitely lighter. Yeah, maybe something like that. What did my reference look like for that? Wow, they get really dark in the face. Oh wait, I see. I thought the ad started. Okay. Ads are coming up then. Yeah, I'm seeing bright blue eyes on a lot of these guys. Hi. Why is the lizard gay? Fucking look at it!
It is a very twinkle looking ass. My team should be like based on a game more, I think.
Twink looking lizard ass? What the fuck?
Actually, why
Why is the lizard gay? I arrived too. Why is the lizard gay? Welcome. Welcome. It's a valid question, don't you think? What is this song?
This was hiding in the grass.
Still isn't rain. What? A conundrum for the ages. The lizard was hiding in the grass?
Come on.
The split view, I'm crying.
Come on.
Oh, yeah, that shit, yeah. And I think... we also have... Alright, that's enough talking out of you, I think.
I need to go to sleep.
Me and my gay lizard.
You're kind of Yeah.
Fucking, yeah, look at it. Alright, hopefully this will send an announcement for when ads are coming. That would be cool. Pointed. Cool. Orange tabby. Gray tabby. Ed time. Incredible. Well, that was a test. I'm glad that worked. Strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, 40, black. See that? That's your baby.
That's my baby.
Ed time.
Okay, I've made
Show it to me. Oh boy. Yeah, bro, it's giving me a headache. Jesus Christ. Reset. You look at your baby. See, but look, I made it in there. See?
Oh,
Anyway. Okay. That's working. Oh! Wow. Yeah, I don't got no Pantone. I don't know why it picked chocolate, though. That's really funny that it decided that was close enough. Wait, why did it decide that was close enough? I started the escargot outfit, but I forgot what I was starting a new outfit for my name. Oh, I see. Here, wait. Let's add Pantone now before I forget. Pantone 448C. Don't worry about it. No, I got it. Let's put it in there real quick. That would be in here. String parsing. Oh yeah, this shit didn't work at all. I go back. Don't do that. Fuck that. Or actually, yeah, do that. I need this guy. Names for colors. Bum, 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 bum. I need Pantone 448C. I do not remember what the RGB values for that are. Or I guess hex. I can look for hex. Give me that. Is he? Oh yeah, I've seen that. 4A. There's gotta be. I don't need it on there. Yoink. Dead is. Alright. You can try that now. But I think as we do that, as we do some tweaking and things, I'll wrap it up, yeah? Oh, that's not a preset though, that's a color. Huh. Yeah, hold on. That would be... I guess you could go solid and then do body 2 right now. You know what? Yeah, real quick. What I do need to do with this, though... I know, you're gonna freak out. Make red not map to body 2. That shit sucks. There we go. Yeah, here, let me see. Preset solid. Or maybe preset black. Oh, did my mic shit the bed? 'Cause, 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 Alright. Hopefully that's good. Yeah, so if you do black and then color body 2 Pantone 448C? Maybe? That's not the color at all. It looks like dog shit. Can you limit motion of the model to 30 FPS? I'm pretty sure that it'll make it look like stop animation? Not at 30. Not at 30, maybe at like 10. But I might be able to. I might be able to do a stop motion effect. I mean, eyes wouldn't follow. Because eyes will just follow spring bones. But anyway. I have to look into that color. That looks fucking wrong. No. Okay, anyway. Who can I bother? Who can I bother today? Thanks for being here. Glad we got this shit going. I haven't rated Dead Sun in forever. Maybe we can go. Oh, you're right. Let's go bother Levinston. I hate that guy. My nemesis. Alright. I'm sure everybody already knows Dead Sun. But very cool shit. Oh, look at that mouse. That's crazy. And move his mouse. Anyway. Okay. Yeah, it seems like we're just chatting for right now, but who knows what we'll be up to. Yeah. What the hell is this? This is called We Did It. Oh, probably from... Oh, yeah, I know what this is. Why are these all from One Piece? There we go. Yeah, I got One Piece. Goddamn. Alright. Let's get raiding. Thanks for being here. I don't know what my plans are for tomorrow. I would love to get this kicked out this week. That would be incredible. Or at least a version of it working. Yeah, well, we'll take a look, but yeah. Cool. Got some thoughts, got some big plans. Why is this song so loud? Has the music always been mixed this loud? This stream? That's annoying. Anyway. Dead Sun Prime. It's not supposed to be that loud. Alright, cool. More or less. Boo. Well, I turned it down just in time. Cool. I have no parting words. Let's go bother Dead Sun. Yeah, and then just Dev. Dev. Okay. It's eyeball spin. Let's get out of here. Godspeed. Be nice to Dead Sun. Alright, here we go. Whee!